Hello friends. Christmas preparation are already going in on full swing and it is the perfect time to make our homes warm, beautiful and festive. Today we are exploring some lovely Christmas crochet and handmade home craft ideas that are simple, cozy and perfect for the holiday season. Crochet is one of the most beautiful ways to add a handmade touch to Christmas decoration. You can create small Christmas trees, snowflakes, stars, and stocking candles, and cute little ornaments with colorful yarn. A handmade crochet Christmas tree can look beautiful on a shelf, table, or even a beside your Christmas tree. You can use green, white, red, or golden yarn to create a festive look. And crochet snowflakes are another simple and elegant idea. You can hang them on your Christmas tree, windows, walls, or even use them as table decorations. They look delicate and give a beautiful winter feelings. You can also make cute crochet Christmas stockings, hang them near the Christmas tree, fireplace, bedroom, or entrance area. And small buttons, ribbons, bells, or handmade flowers to make them more special. Another lovely idea is a crochet Christmas wreath. A handmade wreath can make your front door look welcoming and festive. You can decorate it with yarn flowers, stars, bows, pine cones, and small Christmas ornaments. If you love cozy home decor, and crochet cushions are also a wonderful choice. You can make cushion covers with Christmas colors and simple patterns. Red, white, green, beige, and gold shades can instantly create festive atmosphere. Crochet table runners can also make your dining table look beautiful. Place one in the center of the table and add candles, small ornaments, pine cones, and Christmas greenery around it. You can even make small crochet coasters in the shape of stars, trees, snowflakes, or Christmas bells. These little crafts are simple but can make your coffee table look much more attractive. For the kitchen, handmade crochet pot holders and hanging decorations are a great idea. They are used decorative and perfect for adding a little Christmas spirit to your everyday space. Another easy craft is a crochet garland. Make small stars, hearts, trees, or snowflakes and connect them with a piece of yarn. Shelf, windows, or Christmas tree is a perfect idea for Christmas decoration. And you can also combine crochet with fabric. Small pieces of Christmas fabric can be turned into bows and ornaments, mini stockings, and decorative flowers. And mixing fabric with crochet gives the craft a unique handmade look. For a soft and cozy Christmas corner, add crochet blankets, cushions, handmade ornaments, and warm lighting. This can create a peaceful little space where you can relax and enjoy the holiday season. Handmade crafts are also wonderful because they allow you to use simple materials in creative ways. You don't always need expensive decorations to make your home look beautiful. You can reuse leftover yarn, fabric pieces, ribbons, buttons, old decorations, and small boxes. With a little creativity, these simple materials sorry these simple materials can become beautiful Christmas decorations. A crochet angel is another sweet decoration idea. You can place it on a shelf, hang it on a Christmas tree, or use it as part of Christmas centerpieces. Crochet candle can also look adorable. Make them in red and white yarn and add them to Christmas tree or handmade garland. If you enjoy cute decorations, try making tiny crochet gifts. Small wrapped presents made with yarn can be placed under the Christmas tree or used as ornaments. You can also create crochet stars and add small beads or ribbons for extra sparkle. Hang them around your home to create a magical Christmas feelings. For a farmhouse style Christmas look, use natural colors like cream, beige, brown, white, and soft green. Add jute rope, wooden pieces, pine cones, and handmade fabric decorations. For a modern Christmas look, use simple shapes and neutral colors. White crochet snowflakes, beige ornaments, and soft gold details can create a clean and elegant style. For a traditional looks, Christmas is choose classic red and green colors. Add white details, ribbons, bells, Christmas lights to make everything feels careful. The best part about handmade Christmas craft is that you can make them according to your own style. You can keep them simple, colorful, elegant, rustic, or completely unique. Crochet craft can also be a relaxing activity. Sitting down with some yarn and creating something beautiful can give you a peaceful break from a busy day. You can make this craft alone with friends or with family members. Christmas becomes even more special when decorations are made together with love and creativity. These handmade ideas can also become thoughtful Christmas gifts. A crochet ornaments, stocking coasters, cushion covers, small decoration can be a beautiful gift because it feels personal and handmade. Remember friends, Christmas decoration is not only about making a home look perfect, it is about creating a warm atmosphere filled with happiness, creativity, and beautiful memories. So, as Christmas preparations continue in full swing, this is the perfect time to start creating your favorite handmade decoration. Take your yarn, fabric ribbons, buttons, and other simple materials and let your creativity begin. You don't have to be an expensive at crochet. Start with easy shapes and simple designs and slowly try new patterns as you become more comfortable. It's a very amazing different ideas. And if you enjoyed this cozy Christmas idea, don't forget to like the video, share with someone who loves handmade crafts, and subscribe for more creative handmade decoration idea. It's a very amazing different ideas, most beautiful, stylish, amazing, outstanding, and different beautiful ideas. The best thing about DIY Christmas crafts is that you can make them your own. Change the colors, materials, size, and decoration according to your personal style. You can create a traditional red and green theme, an elegant white and gold theme, a rustic farmhouse look, or a softer neutral Christmas aesthetic. There are no strict rules when it comes to creativity. I hope this Christmas craft idea have inspired you to create something beautiful for the holiday season. Remember, handmade decorations are not just about how they look. They are also about the time, creativity, and love you put into making them. So gather your supplies, turn on some Christmas music, and enjoy creating your own festive decoration. If you enjoyed these ideas, please like this video, share with someone who loves Christmas crafts, and subscribe to the channel for more creative DIY home decor and holiday inspiration. Thank you so much for watching.